So boy underscore movement 1 graphic symbol already has movement in it. As you can see that we've already created several keyframes on the armature layer of the boy underscore movement 1. And with boy underscore movement 2, double click that one. Notice that it has no movement yet because we've just duplicated it with the armature in it, but we haven't created keyframes and we haven't adjusted the bones that we've applied in it. So we can create another dance moves using this graphic symbol. But before that, again, I'll create another duplicate so we can always have a copy of the armature that we have created for our character. So I'll name it boy underscore movement 3. Okay. And we go back to boy underscore movement 2. Double click. And you can proceed on creating a movement, second dance move for our character. And this graphic symbol named boy underscore movement 2. And then later on we will compile and put these two together in the main timeline or the main stage. So for the meantime, let's create the second dance move of our character. So you press F6 to create a keyframe and then adjust the home. So let's just create a different move of our character. Oops, sorry. So just add keyframes every 5 frames. So from frame 1, we have another keyframe at frame 5, another keyframe at frame 10, at frame 15, and at frame 20. And to check the movement of your character, just drag the playhead using your mouse or cursor, or you may press enter to see the movement of your character. Okay, so at frame 20, oops, and at frame 25, another keyframe, try to move the head. Frame 30, another keyframe. Here, 35, another keyframe. So the technique here is you just need to add keyframes and adjust the bone. So we'll stop at frame 60. Oops. Frame 50. Frame 55. And frame 60.